while keeping a low profile. He purchases a revolver and practices shooting.
Dyer may have died, but Sir Michael O'Dyer, the architect of those massacres, lives. He will answer for all his crime. What is my life compared to those massacres at Jallianwala Bagh? This is my mission.
The assassination Grand Holy London of 1340 against Cotton Hall London. Michael O'Dyer stands at the podium addressing an audience.
The British Empire had brought progress and order to India. The events of 1919 were necessary to maintain control.
This is for Jallianwala Bagh. Inqilab Zindabad. This is for my people, for those martyrs at Jallianwala Bagh.
You committed murder. Do you realize what you have done?
It is not murder, it is justice.
The trial and execution. The state shift to a courtroom. Uttam Singh stands before a judge. Uttam Singh, you are murder of Michael O'Dyer. Do you wish to say anything for your defense?
I do not deny what I have done. I did it for my people, for those massacred at Jallianwala Bagh. I regret nothing.
You will be sentenced to your death. Order.
You can kill me, but the spirit of freedom lives on.
On July 31, 1940, Uttam Singh was executed in Pemberton prison. In Paris, death as a martyr and contribution himself. Indians fight for freedom. Uttam Singh was just a man of vengeance. He was a symbol of courage and justice. His actions reminded the world of fathers of colonialism and the resilience of Indian spirit. Remember, freedom is not free. It is paid by the sacrifices like those of Uttam Singh. Uttam Singh's sacrifices was not